Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we're going to be installing the Holley Sniper EFI. So, we just don't want to worry about the carburetor anymore after we installed it to make sure that the transmission ran right. So, a little bit of a double work, but that's okay. So, we're going to install this, but the first thing we have to do is take off the exhaust system, which we just got the midline done from last week. So, yay, double work again, but that's okay. So, we're going to take that off and then take the gas tank, I was about to say the gas can, the gas tank out, and then we'll get started on the rest. Let's get to it. All right, so with the exhaust system, they installed the isolators, which is more than we asked, but it's awesome that they did it. And going down, they added these flanges instead of the slip joints, which is great. And then they did the midline pipe. So everything looks really good. It's real stiff compared to before. So, and it's also because of the isolators, it's up higher. So everything looks good. Now time to take it out again. So exhaust is out. We've got the stand up for the tank. We got a new tank over there, and we have new straps to put in. We did not get a new brace, but we're gonna hit it with a wire wheel and spray paint it to hopefully help with what's going on there. But we're gonna drop this down and put the new one in. It's gonna take 2 people because there is gas in there. Fuel tank is out. There is a crack inside of it, but there's no damage on the outside. So good we are changing it because that wasn't the original plan. But anyways, we are getting all the rust off with the wire brush. We're gonna paint it so it looks nice and pretty. Oh, look at that paper towel that I got up there. That's good. And then also the strap bar. So once all the rust is cleaned up, we will spray it, make it look nice and pretty, and install the new fuel pump, which is over there, into the new fuel tank, which is over there. So obviously we're not getting a whole lot of what we're actually doing. I'm sorry about that, but we're on a tight timeline. But inside is now spray painted, so it looks pretty good. You know, at least it'll be covered. And the fuel pump right here fought us trying to get it in because there was 2 seals and neither one of them really lined up with the holes. But other than that, it was essentially plug and play. But the tank is ready to go back in. So let's get to it. Fuel tank is in. Everything's spray painted. It looks pretty good. We'll probably have to hit it with spray paint in a couple places a little bit more, but that's neither here nor there. The fuel line is in, it's ran, it's not hooked up yet, but it is going across the side through here. And we haven't decided exactly how it's gonna be placed when it's at the top, so it is just hanging on right now. The next step is to take the mechanical fuel pump out and have a block off plate. And then also we're gonna lower the car down to start installing everything. The one thing about what's gonna take forever, part of the reason that we haven't been able to film everything, is we're gonna have to take out the interior in order to run the harness back. So that way it's not under the car. And so that's just gonna take quite a bit of time. We haven't exactly decided where it's gonna go in the back, but the harness is gonna go somewhere over there. You'll see when it's done, but we're gonna get to it. It's gonna be a while, and when we're done, I will show you what we did. So it's been about a week since we started the video and about 917 trips to the parts store. So we did run the fuel power line from here back, so that's all installed. The fuel pump. The fuel tank is fully installed, so that's all good. So we got the Sniper installed. We got new linkages from Bowtie for the TV cable. So after we did all that work, we had to redo it as per usual. We connected the Sniper to the distributor in order to get the RPMs to go through. The coolant temp sensor is installed. This one goes to the Sniper, this one goes to the dash. The harnesses are all put up and out of the way. So when we got the mid pipes put in, we got a bung installed for the O2 sensor. Well, we thought we got a bad O2 sensor. Turns out it was just dirty power from the starter. So we ran the power and the ground straight to the battery and redid fabricated all of the grounds from the battery because this car didn't have enough of them. Now the car is finally running good. The Sniper still does have a lot of learning to do, so there is that part, but we are well on our way. The races are on Saturday. It is Thursday. Hopefully we make it. So we do only have a few more things to do. We need to do an oil change. We need to button up the interior. The dash lights aren't working. That's not a do or die for getting there Saturday, but we're gonna try to get that fixed. The horn is installed now, so pretty much just buttoning up everything to be able to make it on Saturday. So next week, maybe we'll have some cool videos, who knows? Hopefully we get some from the race. But other than that, I will see you guys next week. Make sure you comment, let me know anything that I should know for races. I'm not going to this one though, so I guess it doesn't really matter, but I want to know for when I go. Make sure you like and subscribe. See y'all next week.